Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Question number 1. Find the common difference and write the next two terms of each arithmetic sequence. In this arithmetic progression, first term is 9 and the common difference, that is difference between two consecutive terms, we can find it as 16 minus 9, that equals to 7. By applying the formula of finding nth term, we can write a1 plus n minus 1 into d, and we have three terms already, a1, a2, a3, and we have to find the next two terms, that means a4 and a5. So by applying the formula and putting the value of n equals to 4 in this, we get a1 plus 3d and a4 equals to 9 plus 3 into 7, that becomes 30. A4 is 30 and A5 equals to A1 plus 4D. 9 plus 4 into 7, 9 plus 28, that becomes 37. A5 equals to 37. This is our required two terms, and in second part, arithmetic sequence is 5, 5 plus 2 under root, 5 plus 2 into 2 under root. Here a1 equals to 5 and d is 5 plus 2 under root minus 5, that equals to 2 under root. Now we have to find a4 and a5 by applying this formula. A1 is 5 plus 3 into 2 under root. This is our a4. Next, a5 equals to a1 plus 4d, 5 plus 4 into 2 under root. This is our required result.